It's finger-licking good.
Over 70 years ago, Colonel Harland Sanders founded KFC in Kentucky. KFC is a chain of restaurants that serves mainly biscuits, side dishes, and fried chicken. Harland established a restaurant in 1930, and the first franchised restaurant was opened in 1952. Today, there are more than 25,000 KFC restaurants in over 145 countries and territories around the world. Nearly 8,400 restaurants are situated in China only. And China is the most profitable market of KFC's parent company Yum Brands, which also includes Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Kentucky Fried Chicken had generated a revenue of approximately $2.79 billion in 2021, with a net income of $525 million and a total revenue of $27.9 billion. The gross income is also referred to as gross profit or gross margin. But the real question here, how much KFC franchise owners make per year? The franchise concept could be a good choice for someone who wants to start a business, but does not have an idea to build from scratch and has the resources to make it work. The financial benefits of franchising might appear to be easy, but those royalties and fees will eat into the profits quickly. In exchange for the 5% royalty fee, the company receives gross monthly revenues. According to various estimates, KFC makes between 7% and 8% of its sales as profit. A typical store can expect to earn between $90,000 and $120,000 in total profits per year. Also, since KFC is a part of Yum Brands, which owns a number of other fast food chains as well, you may have more opportunities to grow and open other franchises as well. Also, since it already has a large following and consumer awareness, you won't need to worry about your store being overlooked. The amount of chicken sold per day at a KFC outlet depends on the sales of that location. It can vary by store about 1,500 pieces a day. But another question here, how you can start your own KFC franchise. Costs of opening a KFC franchise will vary based on location and store area, but KFC requires franchisees to have $1.5 million net worth and $750,000 liquid assets to apply for a store. On top of that, you must already have food business management and food service experience. Upon opening a franchise, the franchisee pays an upfront franchise fee as well as an annual franchise fee. The financial performance of a franchise can be seen in Item 19 of the FDD, which provides an estimate of how much a franchise business owner can expect to earn.